till I'm in the coffin. And it's still a work in process. I'm still writing. You hear me? Like, I might stumble over a few words, but it's real shit. Like, I'm writing it and I'm working on it. And I like it. So, y'all want to know what I'm doing new? That's what I'm doing new. Till I'm in the coffin. Yeah. Kill it, till I'm in the coffin. Kill it, till I'm in the coffin. I'ma kill it, till I'm in the coffin. I'ma kill it, yeah. Pops taught me how to keep it lawful. My mama taught me how to walk straight. Big brother taught me how to treat them awful. The homies taught me how to talk, but wait. Give me a chance to elaborate before you draw conclusions like a doctor do contusions, cause I don't like confusion. Excuse my diffusion, it was just a clever ruse to pull you into my illusion, huh? Cause up to this point I've been babbling. Within me I've been battling the urge to get ratchet with the ratchet, cause they rattling names off the list like a roster that's against the rules like Scrabble. Who the hell gon' get at him? When it come to music you could tell there's a pattern. A lyrical abuse, you would think somebody said him. Down with the book of fire flame, Lucifer must have gave that boy his name, huh? Everybody shouting stop, I gotta go. Everybody full of doubt, I gotta let them know. You wanna hear him scream your name, you gotta do it. You think you're worthy of the fame, you gotta prove it. I'ma kill it, till I'm in the coffin. I'ma kill it, till I'm in the coffin. I'ma kill it, till I'm in the coffin. I'ma kill it, till I'm, yeah. They say I was born to a second line. I'm here to make a first impression for the second time. It made perfect sense if you press rewind and go back to where the beat dropped right before my second rhyme. I guess personal history is a mystery for a reason. Don't stress it, it ain't gonna happen till it's meant to be. Fake thugs changed up for better plugs and did absolutely nothing. It seems success was meant for me. All the way up and back down. I know the struggle, I stack now. Face my fears, I ain't back down. I've been away, but I'm back now. Moving up on a black dial. Lace my tears on the track high. Best to do it like that, y'all. I don't know myself, that's a fact. How the hell at him? When it come to music, you can tell there's a pattern. A lyrical abuse, you would think somebody said him. Down with the book of fire flame, Lucifer must have gave that boy his name. I gotta go. I gotta let him know. You wanna hear him scream your name, you gotta do it. You think you're worthy of the fame, you gotta prove it. I'ma kill it, till I'm in the coffin. I'ma kill it, till I'm in the coffin. I'ma kill it, yeah. I don't care who you're supposed to be, and I don't care what you think you see, and I don't care what you do to me. Just don't touch my music. Yeah, kill it, tell them in the coffin. I'ma kill it, in the coffin. Kill it, in the coffin. I'ma kill it. Tell them in the coffin. Y'all let me know what you think. If you enjoy it, click the fucking button. If you like it, if you love it, leave a comment. If you don't want to, it don't matter. If you're vibing, it is what it is. You hear me? I do this for the sake of music. I do this for my love of music. Not nobody's love of me other than the people that do love me. I make music for the love of music. You hear me? And some things working because of that love, that showing love. Once again, shout out Past Life, my partner in crime, and my manager, Mr. Everyday, my CEO, Define, my co-CEO, Define, my CEO, Mr. Everyday, too. My teammates, everybody, Character, I'm coming. Gian, I'm coming. You hear me? Nana, shout out everybody. Anybody I miss, because it's a lot here. But yeah, y'all, do what y'all do. Enjoy your day. Carpe diem, seize the day. Do what you do. Don't let nobody stop you from doing what you love. Holla.